Ladies and gents, Six Figs here from Bang Flee, Thailand, and that's right, I am nearing the end of my adventure here in Thailand, so you'll start to see the scenery get back to the YouTube set once I reach the United States. But yeah, I'm in Bang Flee province or district of Thailand. It's southeast Bangkok, and I'm just kind of hanging out here for a day or two, and then I'm going to catch my flight back to the U.S. So let's jump right into this, folks. We're going to start off with a little bit of news. We got a tweet out of the one and only Nervos network. In case you missed it, this weekend, check out updates from Core and Axon teams. Halo 2 can be verified on CKB. Bring on the ZK. Axon staking and ETH2 Lite client research is ongoing, and an improved CKB indexer search. Now, there is also this tweet that was shared from CKB Dev. So go ahead and follow CKB Dev at CKB DEV. And there is some announcements. So there are plans for the next hard fork. I will link to this in the description as well, so you guys can check it out. But there is some things that they are looking to improve and push forward. So with that said, let's just check out the chart. CKB is down 5.2% on the day, which really, folks, is kind of what we expected. This is a screenshot from 2 days ago when I dropped this video. I had kind of speculated that we could be seeing some sort of harmonic pattern, and harmonic pattern we did see. I was kind of talking about the 0.004692-ish level, so let's kind of see how I did here. In addition, I was kind of thinking that we would see some sort of ABC correction happen. So we came down, price really wicked through this 0.00469-ish area, and then we got a nice bounce off this fib. So this is very interesting. Price came up and desperately tried to break back through the 50 moving average, and now we are seeing it kind of retrace back down towards this 200 moving average. This is the 4-hour chart. So like I was kind of speculating a few days ago, we would see some sort of ABC retracement or something of that nature. So I do think, as far as the 4-hour chart is concerned, we did end up with this symmetrical triangle squeeze, and now we are kind of seeing price kind of take that next leg down. So it really wouldn't surprise me if price just kind of wiggled its way back down to this maybe 0.00469-ish level, 0.0044-ish level. I just think that it's going to come and at least test this 200 moving average. So we're waiting for price to test the 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart. Let's just look at this thing on the weekly. And then we're going to look at this on the 3-day, and then we're going to look at this on the daily. Really. So what we have here is currently price. Bear with me. I'm just going to clear some of this stuff. So the weekly candle closes in 1 hour 15 minutes. Current price of CKB is 0.0048. So we are currently trading underneath this 50 moving average, which is something that I did not want to happen. I wanted price to close above this 50 moving average. Now, it's okay if we just kind of hang out at this area for like the next couple of weeks. We might see some sort of symmetrical triangle squeeze or something of that nature. We just have to wait and see. We could also, I've been speculating about this for a long time. We could be seeing something like this inverse head and shoulders gearing up to happen. But this is the weekly chart, folks. So patterns take a long time to develop that are big. Let's get down to this 3-day chart, because this is very important when it comes to the 200 moving average. And really, we could possibly have a very nice move to come up and tag this 200 moving average here. This is right at about a penny, and I just think that there is absolutely a chance that we could see another move to the upside. But I do think that there is this chance that price might come back down and bounce. So be on the lookout for this, folks. And if we do see the price bounce, all I'm going to care is that it stays above 0.004-ish. That is the Ichimoku cloud top here. And we need price to stay above that. So that is going to be kind of interesting to see what happens really going into March with this thing. Let's just look at the daily here. And yeah, the daily, price action was just too far away from this Ichimoku cloud the last couple days. It just couldn't maintain. So with that said, price, I'm definitely thinking it's going to come up. Maybe we'll see this symmetrical triangle squeeze. Maybe by Tuesday or Wednesday we will see this price down or around like this 0.0042-ish level. This is kind of one of those positions with price that I think we're going to see the sideways trading pattern or the sideways pattern play out over the next day or two. But we'll keep our eye on CKB. I will drop another video in 12 hours on CKB, since this is kind of like a developing price action. But at the end of the day, the price action went exactly where we thought it was going to go. Really close to absolutely nailing it on this one. So subscribe, like the video, folks, and we'll see you at tomorrow. Peace.